Going to go over this Bearcat 32 C3206 chipper shredder. Well, we just put the Duramax 18 horsepower motor in. Ran it like 5 hours now, and everything's good on it. A couple of things you want to check, or more than a couple. You want to change the oil on it. I've already changed it on here. It's just no filter. It's just a drain plug on the end of the motor here, like right here, and there's one on the other side. So whichever one's easier to get to. And charging system works good. We have 4.7 hours. Big things to check. This the bolts, the set screws on your pulley here, right here. There's two of them on there. Throw a wrench on there just to check them, and make sure your belt's still in alignment with the bottom pulley. Now this one, you got one on the top here, and the one on the bottom, same thing. It's got two set screws in it. You just want to torque those down. Make sure they're torqued. Motor mounts, your 4 motor mount bolts down here. You want to retorque those 25 foot-pounds. Make sure they're tight. And grease your spindle for the drum. There's one down here on the bottom. It's right on the end of the shaft. You have to pull the cover off. I don't know if you can see it. Cover's right here. You have to pull that cover off to get to it. And the other ones, shit. The other one's right here. You just pump it full of grease. I've already been through the blades on here. I actually ended up replacing the shredder blades instead of just sharpening them. I had something go through. I don't know if I had a nail or a piece of metal or something go through, a piece of wood or something, but it tore the hell out of them blades. So I went ahead and replaced the blade kit. It was like $200 around there. It came with all the shredder knives, axles, spacers, everything. And pull your air filter off and service that thing. I've ran probably, I don't know how much gas I've ran through here. I've ran 1, 2, probably 2.5 tanks, or at least 2. And just go over and check all your bolts on here again. Really, that's about it. I've already done all this stuff, so I'm not doing a video on actually doing it. It's just some pointers on things to check out. Check your fasteners, grease, oil, clean, all that. Check your belt alignment. Your clutch is fine on here. I still got to trim the belt guard and put on there because it doesn't fit with this new motor. I got to cut a couple of inches off of this side of it because it doesn't clear the edge of the motor here. Haven't done it yet. Got a lot of other stuff to do, so I'll get to it when I get to it. I know I shouldn't be running it without a belt guard, but check various fasteners, on your top here, on the covers. Motor mounts, motor mount plate where it bolts to the frame there. It's just got 4 bolts holding it on. Remember, Loctite. I didn't use Loctite on the motor mount bolts. I got lock nuts on there. Use red Loctite on things here, on the set screws for the pulleys, which theoretically they shouldn't come loose because it's a jam nut, but it's a lot of force rocking back and forth on that thing. And keep air in your tires. This thing's really getting to be a pain in the butt to drag around, so I'm thinking of building a little trailer for it so I can just haul it wherever I need to. Do a trailer with a little dump on it to catch the mulch. instead of dragging everything back here, I can pull this wherever I need to and just shred. But we'll see. Need to come across some cheap axles and metal to make a little trailer for it. I got a trailer, but it's just a little lawn trailer. It won't work for this thing. It's too small. But might end up modifying it. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Got a lot of other stuff planned, so get to it, I'll get to it. And really, that's about it.